I'm just going to give each one a minute or so to answer what they think is the big issue this country faces. So let's start with Sushmita. The big issue.
Well, I think what has emerged from the
Please, a little.
elections in the last few states.
You guys got to listen. Sorry, one
Where-
second. Please quieten down. Okay? Thanks.
I think what has emerged from the narrative in the election of
No,
the
no.
last 5 states is that the distress in the agricultural sector, it's a very big issue. I think the dismal situation of the farmers. Apart from that, unemployment.
Jobs. She said jobs.
Yeah, jobs is a very big
Is jobs
issue.
the number
I
one
think.
problem or not?
Exactly. So jobs is going to be a very big issue. And apart from that, I think there are certain issues which will be thrown up from one state to another, and therefore it may not be common throughout the country. But I think net unemployment is a very big issue, and the agricultural distress is an issue. The fact that people thought that in the last 5 years, industry will grow, Make in India will a big boom. All of that has flopped. So all of those are also going to be an issue in the next general election.
All right. Kalikesh, you.
Thank you, Raj. Let me first give a big hand to the crowd.
Yeah.
I think it's fantastic. What is evident here is the intense and immense energy the youth have in this country and in this state.
This is the new voter.
This is the new world. This is our future. Well done.
First time voters, right?
But it is their future I'm most concerned about. Because if we are not going to give them jobs, if we are not going to give them opportunities, these fine young minds who we believe are our biggest assets will turn out to be an increasingly angry and frustrated lot. So the biggest challenge in front of India is that of job creation, is of level opportunities for everybody. And to have a meritocracy system, a system which values merit, a system which gives opportunities and equal opportunities to all, whether be it in the job market or in the rural agriculture market. I think livelihood is our single biggest challenge. Thank you.
Nishikant, your turn now.
धन्यवाद राज जी। सबसे पहला जो 2019 है, ये हमारे सामने जो ये लड़के बैठे हुए हैं, ये मिलेनियम वोटर हैं, ये पहली बार वोट करने वाले हैं। ये 2000 के बाद पैदा हुए। और इनके लिए हम क्या फ्यूचर करने वाले हैं, इनके लिए हम क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी लेकर आए हैं, और पिछले 5 साल में खासकर मोदी जी ने क्या सिचुएशन पैदा किया है, ये सबसे बड़ा विषय है। और विषय करप्शन है, क्योंकि ये जब पैदा हुए तो इनके मन में हमेशा था कि भारत कभी करप्ट कंट्री से बाहर निकल पाएगा कि नहीं मिल पाएगा। ये कांग्रेस का जो करप्शन था वो हावी था हम लोगों के ऊपर। और पिछले 5 साल में हमने करप्शन फ्री इंडिया इन बच्चों के लिए दिया है कि इनको रोजगार कैसे मिलेगा, इन किसानों के लिए दिया है कि सस्ते में उनको खाद कैसे मिलेगा, उन लोगों के लिए दिया है कि उनको खेती के साधन कैसे मिलेंगे, उन व्यापारियों को लिए दिया है कि आप अच्छे से रहिए, टैक्स पे करिए, यदि टैक्स पे नहीं करेंगे तो हम अपने युवाओं को किस तरह से आगे ले जाएंगे। और अगला जो चुनाव है वो हमारे रिफॉर्म्स पर, हमारे करप्शन के इनिशिएटिव पर और इन युवाओं के भविष्य पर कि इनको रोजगार कैसे पैदा करेंगे, अगला चुनाव उसी के आधार पर लड़ेंगे।
Okay.